Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut jelly filling. First, select your favorite fresh fruit like strawberries or raspberries. You will also need granulated sugar and a small amount of pectin. Wash and prepare your fruit, ensuring it is clean and ready for cooking. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect jelly. Next, place your prepared fruit in a saucepan and cook it over medium heat until it softens, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the measured sugar and pectin, ensuring everything is well combined. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil and continue to boil for exactly 1 minute to properly activate the pectin, which helps with thickening. After boiling, remove the jelly from the heat and let it cool for about 15 minutes. As it cools, it will begin to thicken to the desired consistency. Now is a great time to stir in a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright, balanced flavor. You can also add a half teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract if you wish. Once your jelly has cooled completely and reached a spreadable consistency, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a long, narrow tip. Gently insert the tip into the side of each donut and squeeze the bag until the donut feels adequately filled. Any extra jelly can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.